I'm Zia from Lush Loom, and today I'll be briefly explaining how our soundproof curtains work. The first layer is a premium decorative fabric, followed by multiple acoustic and cotton fabric layers, and the final layer is a blackout fabric. Today we're installing a 5-layer soundproof curtain system. The blackout layer doesn't just block light, it reduces sound penetration, making the space more peaceful and comfortable. Because of this multi-layer construction, our soundproof curtains can reduce outside noise by up to 30 to 40%, which is very effective for apartments. And that is why Lush Loom receives around 90% positive feedback for our soundproof curtains. If you're looking to create a more quieter and more relaxing environment in your apartment, contact us today.